Hi everyone, my name is Darren Mar-Elia and welcome to my course, Windows Server 2019 Group Policy Fundamentals. I'm the founder of GPOguy.com and SDMsoftware.com, and I'm a 14-time Microsoft Group Policy MVP and currently head of product at software vendor Semperis. This course is an update of my previous Pluralsight Group Policy Fundamentals course and focuses on Group Policy Fundamentals as of Windows Server 2019. I will cover the basics of implementing group policy in your environment and also share some of the best practices I've worked on and blogged about since the last course. Some of the major topics that we will cover include effective delegation of group policy management, understanding group policy processing, backing up, copying, and importing GPOs, and implementing key policy areas like group policy preferences. By the end of this course, you'll know how to effectively implement a secure, efficient group policy deployment for your Windows servers and desktops. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic Active Directory administration and have had some exposure to group policy and the Group Policy Management console. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about group policy with the Windows Server 2019 Group Policy Fundamentals course at Pluralsight.